Throw me on the journey to rebuilding this GSX 750 engine. It's dirty as fuck right now. Been through a lot. She's gonna shine though when I'm done. She gonna shine like a mother. First up, I gotta get the exhaust off. I gotta take the head off because I want to make sure it's clean in there and nothing is. I think it said the top head was an issue on it. Top head was an issue on it. The shit is broken right here. Yeah, she gonna be a good bitch when I'm done, yo. She gonna take care of me and I'm gonna take care of her. She definitely need that cleaning though. Alright, we'll get there. Wife ain't gonna be happy that I bought a fucking motorcycle. She is not gonna be happy, like, at all. Would you turn down the engine if it was only 180 bucks and all you have to change is the head? I had to take it serious, man. I had to. Well, bear with me, guys. Oh, she leaking. Back. Water. That's good. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, she was leaking for a second. She gonna be nice. She ain't gonna be as nice as this one. But she gonna be nice. We'll do work. She gonna be as nice, but she ain't gonna be as powerful, I should say. She gonna be nice like this, but she ain't gonna be as powerful as this. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Starting literally at the bottom right now.